Hello everyone, it is phonics time. Okay, so we're going to start our lesson first, revising a little bit and playing a little game. So the game is, I say the sounds and you have to put them together and tell me what word you hear. Okay, are you ready? Well, so the sounds are s, ah, what did I say? Sun, very good. Sun. I said sun. And now another word. I say d or g. What did I say? Yes, dog. Dog. Very good. And now I will say the word and you will have to count the sounds that you hear in the word. Are you ready? Good. So these are the sounds. These are the words. The word is cat. Cat. How many sounds can you hear in cat? So we put our fist in front of us and we are going to write with our little fingers the word cat. So the first sound is k. The second sound, ah. And the third sound, t, k, ah, t, cat. Very good. That's great. So now we're ready to start learning about the letters and the sounds. The sounds and the letters. Ready? So drum roll. Yay. Okay. Okay. This is a sunny day and the sun is in the sky. I can see a snake in the grass. Oh my goodness, what is this? Oh, what is this? Oh my goodness, this is a snake. The snake. Oh yeah, hello snake. And I can see some spots. The snake is in the grass and the snake has some spots. Oh, but I can see some other things here. I can see a stick. Look at the stick. I can see a stick. And here I have lots of sticks. Yes, very good. And I can see a nest. A nest. Can you see this nest? And I can see a snail. Can you see the snail? Lovely. And I can see a mouse. Mouse. Very nice. And oh, look at this. I can see a spider, a snail, and a spider. Oh my God. Oh, now all these words have a sound. Can you guess what the sound is of the word snake, sun, stick? Yes, it is the sound S. The sound S. So say after me, S. Lovely. And the S sound, it is this letter. The capital letter S and the small case S. It is this one. S. Very good. We are going now to hear something. There is a lovely song about a snake. So are you ready for the song? Yes?
The snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass.
Very good. So now we know that this is the sound, as in snake, as in sun, as in stick. Very good. That's great. But we have to learn how to write it. So this is the sound that we learned, and we are going to learn how to write it. So we take the pencil, froggy leg. These are the legs of the frog on the log. And here we have froggy legs. Okay, this is the way you hold the pencil. So we're drawing a line because we have to write on the line. There is a top where we're going to start writing, and we go right to the left, a little curve, then we go down here and we touch the floor. And this is a sound, capital letter. And now the little one, we go to the middle and we go straight like this, and then we go roundy, and we have the sound. That is very nice. Now, which of these words that I say, you hear the sound? Are you ready? The word is snail. Can you hear the in snail? Yes, it's at the beginning. S-N-A-O. It's at the beginning. And these are the word sun. Can you hear the in sun? Yay! Where? At the beginning, middle, or end? At the beginning. Very good. And what about this one? Nest. Nest. Where the little birds sleep. Where is it? At the beginning? In the middle? Yes. Not at the end. Very nice. And what about this one? Dog. Can you hear us in dog? No. There's no in dog. Bye-bye, no. Okay then. So children, what did we learn today? We learned that this is the sound. As in sun. As in snake. As in sticks. Very good. So, see you tomorrow. Remember to do the worksheet that you're going to do. Take the pencil, froggy legs. You're going to trace the S and color the lovely drawing. Bye-bye.